Hey everybody, how you doing? It's your boy from Brooklyn, Chef Shannon Ambrosio, and I'm working on the architectural moldings today above the doors and windows. And you know what? I'm gonna save you a shit ton of money, folks. That's what's up right there. So, what I'm working on here in the shop, as you can see, are the moldings for above the doors and windows in the front entryway into the office that I was renovating that you guys saw some of the videos on. So I'm just going to go fast through this. The moldings are made up of 4 pieces of pine. You have the bottom plate, top plate, the center header, and then a piece of cove molding for decorative use in between the header and the top plate. So here I'm cutting the moldings, and I'll run through this pretty fast, and then this way you guys can see the finished product. And you know what? Your boy from Brooklyn is gonna save you a shit ton of money. All right, all right, all right. Right, so just a quick little tutorial about how this goes on, right? So I'm just using regular acrylic paint. You know what I mean? This is just a regular acrylic paint, semi-gloss, because it has a nice shine for all the moldings. It's an ultra pure white because all the moldings are going to be ultra pure white. Just taking all the, just add a little bit of water. So I take a separate container, boom, right like that. A little bit of water, and I add it till it has a really, really thin consistency. Gotta get these gloves on, otherwise this paint's gonna be everywhere, and I have it all over my hands. Even though it's water-based and waterborne, it's easier to come off. You can prevent it from. And I just take a little. This is great, right? Because this is the old Chinese food takeout container right here. I save them for all this stuff that I work on, right? So I don't throw them away. This way, I always have something to mix paint in. I use it to separate nails and screws in clear containers. This way, I know what's inside of them. I mark them, but I also can see through the container and I know what's in them. And that's how that works. You heard? Just another helpful hint from your boy from Brooklyn. Save all the Chinese food takeout containers, right? When they come in the ones like this, like the pint and the quart containers, save them. Also the flat ones too. I use them as like Tupperware. When somebody comes to your house, right, and you're sending them home with leftovers, right? They never return your Tupperware. So if you put them in the old Chinese food containers, you don't care. Boom, it goes out the door, it never comes back. Yeah, all right, all right. And all you people out there don't return Tupperware, I'm looking out for you. I'm gonna come get you. Make sure you return that stuff. So when next time you go to the house, they want to give you leftovers. Because if you don't bring back the Tupperware, I ain't giving you leftovers no more. That's how that works. Mix the paint. See, runs nice. You want it to flow through that paint gun easy. You don't want to clog that gun up. You heard? And this is, good for painting cabinets, furniture, moldings, and what have you. I always say, if you have the opportunity to paint the molding before it goes on, do that. And then this way, when you pin it up with the pin nailer or the finish nailer, the trim nailer, you're basically just patching a little hole and then just doing a little touch-up. You don't want to have... Me and the green lady, we ain't cleaning shit up. Luke, I am your father. And that's it. Paint's done dripping through. Bing, bang, boom. ton of progress in the area that I've been working on. You know, you can see already, look down here at the floor, look how beautiful the floors are. Right? So what we have here, look at this beautiful header moldings that I made, right? This is all architectural moldings, right? You'll see there's a sill plate here. I just spent the last 2 days painting these, and they came out absolutely beautiful. So you have a nice sill plate here at the bottom. You have your standard 1x6 pine. This is all pine. This isn't MDF or anything like that. And then you have 2.5 inch. I milled all these down. So these come a standard length, and then I milled them down to the measurements that I want. And then a nice piece of cold molding up in here. Absolutely stunning, right? Beautiful, beautiful pieces. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna start putting these up. I'm telling you right now, you can save a shit ton of money doing this yourself. The lumber for all these headers and the casings around the doors and everything, man, maybe it was 150 bucks, maybe, you know? That's about it. You ain't gonna spend much more money than that. And then you just need to do some work, you know? You spend some time doing the work yourself, and the only thing it's gonna cost me is the materials, you know? I have the tools already, and you can just buy the tools as you need them. Like I said, don't buy too many tools at one time. Buy the tools as you're doing the job, and that's what's up right there. You heard? Your boy from Brooklyn's gonna save you a shit ton of money. So let me put on the goggles and paisan right here. This is to make a spectacle of myself. And that right there, folks, is how it's done. You heard? That's what's up right there. What?